Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, we should do warm up exercise. Be ready student. Everyone sit in your place. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Rub your hands, put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 children. Clap. Stop. 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 Children, take out your workbook, ma. Yesterday I told you to do work as 20th one. See 20th one. What is the question? The capacity of a syrup in bottle A is 400 ml. The quantity of the same syrup in bottle B is 1 liter 243 ml. What is the total quantity of syrup in both the bottles? See, I told you to do. Did chapter number 11. Measurements. Exercise 11.3. HOT has HOTS today. Okay. 20th one. Did that? Check once. It is right or wrong. Check it. Quantity of syrup is bottle A. How much? 400 ml. Okay. Quantity of syrup is syrup in bottle B 1 liter 243 ml. Okay. Next, what you have to find? What is the total quantity of syrup in the both bottles? Is so the total quantity of syrup in both bottles how many? 400 ml plus 1 liter 243 ml. What you have to do? You should do addition. Yes, liter column, milliliter column. Okay, liter column. See, 400 ml plus 1 liter 243 ml. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Here anything is there? 1, only 1. 1 liter 1 liter 643 ml. Understood? Therefore, the total quantity of syrup in bottle A and B, bottle B is 1 liter 643 ml. Understood? Write fast. Check it. Your answer is right or wrong. Check. Next, open your classwork, children. HOTS, HOTS. Over. I will write on the board. You should write in the classwork. Write in the classwork, ma. Children, 19th example. Higher order thinking skills. Okay. A container has capacity of 2 liters. A glass has a capacity of 200 ml. How many glasses of juice must be poured to fill up the container? See, solution. Capacity of the glass equal to 200 ml. Quantity of juice needed equal to 200 liters. You should convert into milliliters. As 2 into 1000, 2000 milliliters. Yes. Now what you have to do? You should divide this into this. Yes. 2000 divided by 200. Then 200, 2000. 200 ones are 200 minus 0, 0, 0. This 0 you should take down. 2000 zeros are 0, 0. What is that? 10. Therefore, 10 glasses of juice must be poured to make 2 liter. Understood, children? What you did here? You did here division. Understood? 2000 divided by 200. Understood? See children, next 21st one. Higher order thinking skills. The workbook part. Take out your workbook part, children. First one. Reena is making a cake for which she needed melted butter. She has measure of 7 liters and 5 liters. How will she use the measure if she has the add 6 liter of melted butter to the cake? Int. Find the difference between 7 liters and 5 liters. See what she have to do. First, Reena first pour melted butter in the 7 liter measure. Yes, Reena first pours melted butter in 7 liter measures. She then transfer some of it into 5 liter measures. What you have to do? First, she pour melted butter into 7 liters measure. Then she transfers some of it into 5 liter measure. Okay. Then the quantity of melted butter left in the 7 liter measure is 2 liters. Okay. She repeats same procedure 2 more times. Right. 22nd one. There is a container contains water and water bottle with a capacity of 500 ml. How many bottles must be poured into the container to have 5 liters of water? A tumbler has a capacity of 600 ml. How many tumblers must be poured into the can to have 6 liters of oil in it? See here they given 2 questions. Okay, you should write the answer. 22nd one. See 22nd one. What is as there is a container contains water and a bottle with a capacity of 500 ml. How many bottles must be poured into the container to have 5 liters of water? See capacity of water bottle. Capacity of the bottle. How many? 500 ml. Okay. Now quantity of water needed. Quantity of water needed equal to 5 liters into 5 into 1000 milliliters. 5000 milliliters. Yes or no? Then number of bottles needed 5000 divided by 500. Yes, then 5000 500 divided by 5000. 5000 ones are 5000 minus 0 0 0. This 0 you should take down. 5000 zeros are 5000 zeros are 0 here. What is that? 10. 10. Okay. Therefore 10 bottles of water must be poured into the container to get 5 liters. Understood, children? Right. Next question. What is that question? The tumbler has a capacity of 600 ml. How many tumblers must be poured into the can have 6 liters of oil in it? See, this is A1 completed. Now B1. See, listen children, a tumbler has a capacity of 600 ml. How many tumblers must be poured into a can to have 6 liters of oil in it? Now capacity of the tumbler equals 600 ml. Okay. Next, quantity of oil needed equal to 6 liters equal to 6 into 1000 milliliters. 6000 milliliters. Yes. Next, number of tumblers needed equal to 6000 divided by 600. See, 600 ones are 600. This 0 should take down. 600 zeros are 0. Understood? What is that? Ton. Therefore, equal to 10. Therefore, 10 tumblers of oil must be poured to make 6 liters. Understood? Right. Did you understand, children, what I did here? See, capacity of a tumbler is 600 ml. Okay. Now quantity. See, what is that? 6 liters is there. That one you should convert into milliliter. 6000 milliliter. Again 6000 milliliter divided by 600 ml. You should do. Yes. Then 10 will get. Okay. Therefore 10 tumblers of oil must be poured to the make 6 liters. Should write. Understood?